Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to easily change your name in the Puma app. This tutorial will guide you through each necessary step to update your profile information quickly and efficiently. Let's begin the steps. First, open the Puma app on your phone. Look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Then, from the menu, click on My Profile. Once you're in My Profile, tap on Profile Info. Here, you will see fields for your first and last name. Simply tap on each field and type in your new name. Make sure the spelling is correct before proceeding. Once you have updated your name, scroll down and save the changes to ensure your profile reflects the new information. By following these simple actions, you can update your profile and maintain accurate account information easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.